Hello everybody, take two. This is part 2 of my window treatments tip. Now in part 1, I spoke about dressing the curtains. Now in part 2, I will show you a little trick that I use to get my curtain panel to just stay in place and look neat. Now you are looking at a rod pocket or tunnel top heading. So you know sometimes when you have your tunnel top or your rod pocket and you push it back like this, it tends to want to come back a little inwards. Well, I solved that problem by actually stitching two little tabs at the back here. Just behind the heading, I stitch one on the left side, or that's the right side, and then I stitched one on the left side here. Now, what I do is take the two towards each other at the back here, and you can see I tie them at the back there, so they actually keep the header in place looking neat. So guess what? I took off the tie backs from the midpoint of the curtain and I put them at the head, so they help to keep the draperies lovely in place. So you may want to try to ask your sew star or your workroom just to give you a couple tie backs behind the header of your curtains. That will help you to keep your curtain panels in place nicely. So until next time, please hit the notification button. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. Share your thoughts about my videos and my channel, and like my video. That is if you do. So, you take care now.